Bula, and welcome back to another episode of not the village life but the cooking life in Fiji. And here we are in Wainadoi in the mainland of Fiji, Viti Levu, and we are at a family that is gonna make duck curry for us. So here we have the duck right here. It's all been cutted up. We have garlic, sorry, wait, I almost said onion, garlic, and it's gonna be cooked in open fire over here. And they're gonna show us the process. Now, I tasted their duck curry in a few weeks ago, and I was really surprised about the taste. Like, it tasted really good. And then with Roti, me and my two siblings, we love Roti. So today we're gonna have duck curry with Roti. And you can say me and my siblings, we are kind of like a Roti connoisseur. Like, we love everything with the Roti. And home back in Denmark, when my mom wants me and my brother to come and eat dinner, she always cooks chicken curry with Roti. Then she knows 100% that we're gonna come home and have Roti. And then we all fight to have the Roti. Me, my brother and my sister, because we love Roti, or Roti as we say in Danish, Roti. And when you go to a place in Fiji where you are the guest, always bring grog. Look, we have the grog right here, and it's strong. Navuti grog, YN grog. If you go somewhere, don't just buy grog, buy the YN Nasi River or Veokani grog. We're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna grog later.
No.
Bula. Okay, I think we're gonna begin the grog session already. Yeah. This is Arif, and he's the one who's been giving us duck curry a few weeks ago, and it was so good that I asked if I could make a video about it. And now we're gonna begin with grog. So we're gonna start off by making the roti, or the roti, and we have some boiled water here. And what's this flour? It's just normal flour. And we have flour over here.
No, that's for the curry.
Oi. Okay, not that one. But flour. Okay, I'm outside again, and I think we're gonna mix these spices together. So, Auntie, what are you gonna?
Garlic and chili and ginger.
And ginger. And this is gonna be mixed in with the duck.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Looks good. And that one is
Masala.
masala. Masala.
मसाला ये कौन सी बोले इसके?
हल्दी।
हल्दी कौन सी बोले हल्दी के? करी पाउडर
Curry powder is different.
नहीं,
Hardi
दूसरा।
is different.
Hardi.
हाँ
Hardi
Okay.
just hardi.
Hardi different than curry powder. Remember that.
right
And that's it.
हाँ that's it.
Oh.
Onion curry leaves.
Okay.
हाँ
So, and I've been showing you a lot about the culture from my village, the Itoke village, the indigenous people. But here in Fiji is a melting pot of many cultures from the Pacific Islands, but we also have the second biggest ethnic group, the Indo Fijians, that makes up the almost half the population in Fiji, and they brought a lot of good spices with them, and you can see here like all the spices that are mixing together, and we love all the spices they brought, you know. I just want to showcase you that Fiji is not only about the Itoke culture, but there's a lot of Indo Fijian culture as well, and it's a melting pot of different cultures. So this is just one of the thing I can show you through food.
Hả? Hà sinh phải khả hà lâu. Có duyệt nào. Beautiful.
So Aunty, the duck that you are cleaning right now, is it the ducks that you raised yourself here at your farm, or
No, I buy it.
or buy it?
Yeah.
Oh. You can see here, this is part of the Itoke culture that's now also part of the Indo Fijian culture, the grog. And this is Harif, Bula Harif.
Bula.
Bula. And now the pot has gone in.
Wait.
Oil. Wait. The oil is not hot yet. Now the onions and lemon
Onion,
leaves.
then garlic.
Garlic too?
No,
No.
garlic here.
Oh, okay. Now the rest of the flavors going in.
Yeah.
Wow. And it smells really good. Look at all those flavors coming together. Now the duck will be added in.
Yeah.
Whoa. The smell is really strong and nice. It smells really good, people.
She's 74.
Look at that. Now you can see the curry is beginning to be mixed in with the duck curry and the duck, sorry. This lady is 72,
74.
74 years old. But if you look at her, she looks 21. Look. She still looks young. Salt.
Salt.
And now we're just gonna let it cook, the duck.
Yeah.
For how many minutes?
Half an hour.
Half an hour? Okay. Half an hour, people, half an hour. And now we're gonna go into the Roti section and see the dough. The dough has already been made.
Were you supposed to be doing the dough as well?
No, it's fine. It's okay. Just
I'm so sorry.
so you added in the flour, and what more do we need for the roti?
Camera shy. Flour, hot water, and then you knead it, and at the same time you pour some ghee to make it stick together like that.
Okay. And how many pieces of roti will you make out of this?
Depends. Could be 20. This
20?
is basically 2 cups of roti though.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that's how you do, roll it into small pieces and
Yeah, you gotta break them up to make smaller doughs for
Okay.
the roti.
Man, your English is very good, Jan.
No, bruh. Saying it, darling.
Okay. Also, before you roll it, you add in some dry flour.
You gotta dip it in flour so that it doesn't stick to
Okay.
the rolling pin.
Okay.
Oh,
And
the flour is too sticky right now.
if you guys are wondering why Yanu here
Is camera shy?
is camera shy, she says she burnt her face because she's always hot. That's what she said to me.
Blur it, blur it.
So now you people know.
What's your channel? Is it on YouTube?
Yes, Urai Tambua.
Urai Tambua.
Uraya Tambua.
Urai Tambua. I'll look it up.
Okay.
Subscriber.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Makan dua. Like videos. How long have you been vlogging?
For 8 months now.
You just started?
I just started 8 months ago.
How is the vlogging life? Is it good?
It's good. It's
See, this is what happens when it's like too
sticky.
sticky
Oh, yeah.
and it gets caught up in the rolling pin as well.
Oh, boy. So you have to redo it.
Redo the whole thing.
Oh, yeah. Wow, and the roti here really looks good, eh? So before you add in the roti to the pan, is it pan?
Yeah, the roti towel.
What do you add in to make it smooth?
The ghee.
The ghee.
You gotta
Oh,
put ghee on it.
That one, okay.
Yeah, you can come this side and
Oh, this one. This is the ghee. This one what? It's kind of like butter or?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow, and it really smells good.
tastes good too.
What do you think, Thomas? Is it good? Oh, yeah, okay. He's shy. He's shy too.
He's camera shy.
Thomas is also camera shy.
Runs in the family.
And Yami here is very good at rolling the
Experience.
The roti.
Years of experience now. Postaki.
And yeah, how do you know that the roti is done? It's
Well,
fully-
usually it's brown, but my sister-in-law here likes to overcook it sometimes.
Yeah, you like it to be black.
It's like
Gessa.
gessa. Let's try to avoid the gessa. It's like wainadoi style to have it a little bit in gessa.
Oh, that's the style here.
No,
Wainadoi.
it's not really.
If you want Gessa, come to Wainadoi.
Let's see, wainadoi gonna be well known now for gessa roti. Oh, it's hot now.
Can you try to make one roti after this?
Yes, this one is fully yours.
Yeah? Man. I'm looking forward to making roti. No, they'll be the perfect size,
Island,
the best roti
of
you've
our
seen.
island.
And this woman is from Laos. Laos woman?
Lau, Wanombalavo.
Wainadoi.
Wow.
Wow.
Hello.
The long land.
So you want me to hold the camera towards you while you do
Yeah,
it?
sure. You can. This
Hold on.
recording. Just guide me, if you can. Okay. So
You
what's
take the dough from the
is
and then put it on,
okay?
and then you start. Try and make a circle.
Circle. Okay. When do I have?
It doesn't have to be a circle, as long as you can.
A second go. It's good. This good.
Can I go?
Good enough.
I'm just
Try.
try.
There, and then you keep flipping it, so you try and make it
Like this. Or,
Yeah.
Okay.
so the sides can be even.
Okay. Oh man,
Nice.
this is gonna be a handicap roti.
Island of Honey.
That's what I said. It's the island of.
Hey. It's not bad, eh?
No.
Looks like overload right now.
It's starting to look like overload.
Oh lord.
You can put some more flour on it if it gets
Like
sticky.
this?
Yeah, like that.
And then massage it.
There you go.
Wow. I have the
Kailangan
best
massage.
clutching akim ni. Ay,
There, see, that's gonna.
that's not good. I have
It went like dark. Is that still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Okay.
rolling. You can just press here and then
Come here.
show up again.
Come here, Mama.
But is this good or this?
That's good.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fine. Now you just pick it up and you flip it on the pan.
Okay, my first roti look very good.
There.
And like this.
A grade.
A grade. Look.
You can video it. See how it's gonna turn out. I'll make sure you receive that one with the curry.
Thank you, Jan. That's so sweet of you. Hi, Thomas. You're on another level when it comes to.
No, I'm
making
still a noob. Big time. You should see my grandmother-in-law do this.
She's a professional.
She puts me to shame.
Okay, it didn't turn out as bad as I thought.
No, it won't. It's great.
Okay, thank you. And here we have some apple juice. Really good, real sweet.
I think it's pulpy. I'm not so sure.
It's what? Apple juice.
Oh, is it golden circle?
Apple juice with a bit of apple.
So, there we go, your first roti.
Yay, my first roti.
Okay, this one is a little bit dry.
Raised ducks or no?
My grandmother-in-law has a chicken farm.
Okay.
You won't be able to see it since we've killed all the chickens.
Oh.
We're waiting for the new batch that we ordered from the agriculture.
Oh, okay.
So they'll have a new batch of chicks ready for us probably by Feb. And then we go pick it up and then we bring them to the chicken coop that we have outside.
The ducks or the chicken?
Chicks.
And
Chicken.
then, and where do you get the ducks from?
Oh, we don't do ducks.
Okay.
Ducks is kind of hard for us.
So where do you buy it or?
Yeah, you can buy ducks. I think there's a duck farm around here somewhere. Her
Mm.
friend's
How much for a duck?
oh. How much would a duck cost?
$35.
Depends on the weight of
Oh,
the
yeah.
duck.
If it's a fat duck,
Probably around 40.
oh, it's good business, eh?
Very good business.
But
But
how,
it's quite costly to maintain the farm. You gotta
Oh,
think
yeah.
about the chicken feed. The food too is no joke.
oh,
They're looking after them again, and you gotta keep changing the chicken coop, the sawdust inside, because it starts to smell. It's a big job. Even if you're trying to raise a dozen, the smell.
smells good.
Yeah. You should smell it. So where are you from originally? Really from Bula?
So I'm from the island of Moturiki, Navuti village.
So you grew up there or here in Suva?
I grew up there the first 7 years of my life, then I moved to Denmark.
Navato.
Mm.
Yeah?
Denmark.
Oh, Denmark as in Overseas? You're from overseas?
No, I'm from Fiji. I just grew up in.
You're from Fiji, you went overseas, you stayed a while over there, you came back. That explains the whole accent thing, eh?
Yeah, I really have an accent.
Yes, you do.
See, if people, they have been hating over me, some people, because they think I'm forcing my accent.
No, no, no. All the viewers, that's just his way of talking. Even his Fijian sounds Denmarkish. So how long since when did you come back?
Since start of June last year.
Oh, you were here before the lockdown?
No.
The lockdown?
No, June last year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And that was after how many years?
I moved there in 2001. Then I've been coming to Fiji with my family every 2 years.
Visits?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But last year I decided now I've had enough of Denmark, then I moved back.
So you just moved back for real, or you gonna?
No, I moved back for real.
Oh.
I moved back and I said now I will vlog about the Itoke culture and
That's very nice. Not a lot of people do that.
no.
I don't think we have a lot of vloggers in Fiji.
No,
We don't. Just TikTok people. Fiji is very well known.
For TikTok?
Yeah.
Oi.
We only have TikTok celebrities around here.
Oi, I didn't know that.
You should join TikTok and put some of your vlogs up there.
I'm trying, but I feel old.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
I have a few videos on TikTok, but
Then tell us your...
it's also Retumbo.
Oh,
Just my name, you know.
Don't worry, I'll share your TikTok vids.
Thank you. Okay, a little bit of update.
Yeah.
Wow, looks really, really good. Look. How many more minutes? Soon to be done. And the smell is really, really good. And now the roti is done too. So we're just gonna wait for the duck curry.
What's your name again?
Retumbo.
What? Oh, come. Yeah. Bring your hand and close that door. Yeah.
While we wait, time for another boat.
Oh,
Bantu pula.
Vinaka.
Thomas.
Oof, can't go anywhere without grog. Another update, another round of stirring with pot, and you can see that it looks really, really good. And the smell too. Wow. And as I said, like I've tasted it before, and man, it's so good. Like I remember there were so many leftovers that I ate it for breakfast, lunch and dinner the following day because it was that good. And with roti, it's just like a good combination. So I can't wait to show you guys or people how it's gonna look like. And what's that, Auntie? More lemon tea? Lemon leaves? So
No. Kau cuba dhania. Kau cuba sikit.
Dhania.
This is the
Parsley?
wild
I think it's some kind of parsley. Coriander. Okay, so this is coriander, and this is you're gonna add it into the duck curry.
Cook, finish.
Okay. So when it's finished, you'll add in the coriander. Oh, whoa,
Smell it.
boy, really fresh, yeah? Really, really fresh. Okay, people, I think it's time to taste. Auntie's gonna taste the duck to see if it's fully cooked. And boy, the smell gets better and better. Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's taste this hot. Okay, let's try.
Roti मांगे तो दे दो रोटी like हैं कढ़ाई
Whoa. It's really good. Mm. A bit hard. I don't hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Set
Little bit hard. We have to put some more water.
some more water.
Yeah.
कढ़ाई
You can you try?
देखो कढ़ाई की नहीं
Okay, now
देर कढ़ा
Throw pani.
Oi. Okay, it's a bit hard. We have to cook it a little bit more, and we're gonna add in some more water. We're gonna add some more water, and you can see here. But you can definitely taste the flavor. All this flavor she had mixed in with the duck. It's really good, and also spicy. Good. Okay, I'll bring this as chaser.
Yeah.
Okay, taki. Oof.
Bula.
Bula. How is it? Good.
देर कढ़ा
Another 15 minutes. Okay.
They've made like 2 times where they've made duck curry. I've tasted. The first time I could barely eat it because it was so spicy.
Ah. Because of Maureen, my daughter, small one.
Yeah.
When I asked her, hey, you put how many chili? She said, I say you said this much.
I was gonna add in the coriander, and that means the curry is
ready
ready.
हाँ
Wow. Set. Let.
हाँ छोड़ दिया
Wow. And the smell. It's really nice. Whoa. It's good. Now it's just gonna let it cool for a bit, and then we can taste it. This is the appetizer. Maka.
You want fork?
No, it's fine.
Huh?
I'll use
What?
my fingers. See, set the And this is it, people.
You want roti?
Roti. Ah,
Yes.
yes. Okay, people, we got the duck curry all done. Look at how good it looks. It smells really, really good. I know I've been saying it a lot, but it's really nice. So now we're just waiting for the roti. Then we can have a taste, you know. Naka. Okay, let's taste this. So here's the roti. Ooh. And it's still warm. Like this. Okay. I'm not really a professional in eating roti, but I do love roti. Okay, let's taste this. Really, really good. The spices are good. Like you have all these different flavors popping in your mouth, and with roti, whoa, bro, I can really recommend it. If you want the best duck curry in Fiji, come to wainadoi. Come to Aunty. She makes you the best duck curry.
Wait.
Ah. Okay. So this is the bro, very professional look.
Number one.
Number one. See, and the good thing is you can both have it for dinner and chase at the same time. Thank you. And now to wash down the good taste, we have the always lovely Yanggona.
Hey.
Let's go.
Are you gonna kiss it? How?
Yeah. Wah.
Are you gonna kiss it? Are you gonna kiss it? Mama. Mama.
No.
If you want to eat this curry, no grog, nothing.
Okay, people, I'm going home. Have to pick up my mom so she can taste this magnificent duck curry, you know, and hear her review about it. And here it is all packed up. Naka. And thank you so much, Aunty and her Reef, her brother. And hopefully we see you guys again soon, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
For some more grog. Okay, Vinaka. Bula people, and we are back again. I'm here with my mom to make a review of the duck curry and see what she says. I know she'll say it tastes good. If not, I will ask her to leave. So, mom, go ahead. Take some curry, duck curry, and some roti. And these flowers are annoying. They look good, but they're just in front of the camera. So let's see
That's
what she
nice.
says. Yeah, it smells good, man. It's also good. And roti.
And roti. Let's unpack the roti.
Yeah.
One roti.
One roti. You can take
No, 2 rotis.
2 rotis.
Yes.
Okay. Go on.
Go on and enjoy it.
Enjoy dough.
I
Let's see. Arode.
Oh,
Good. How's the spice? How's the
hot spice.
hot? Okay.
Good curry.
Good curry. See? See, that's what I said. If you want good duck curry, the best in Fiji, go to wainadoi, to Harif and Aunty. Aunty cooks the best curry and Yanu makes the best roti. Vinaka Yanu and Vinaka Aunty.
Oh,
Good.
very good.
And the roti is good.
I'll come again tomorrow.
Whoa, Arode. You need to go back to them. Okay, people, that's it for the duck curry cooking video. Maybe we'll go back to Harif, Yanu and Aunty and do some more cooking. But until then, see you.
Not there.